Hello, it's Tammy Murphy, and welcome back to the 2018-19 school year. I'm standing in front of our beautiful new pedestrian entranceway where all students will be welcome to Dubai American Academy for the start of the next school year. It's a special day today as we've started our student orientations and our middle school students have entered the building for the first time. We want to share with you some updates for the new year, and we so look forward to the children's voices making our halls come alive. I'm sitting in the new high school library. We are so fortunate at Dubai American Academy to now have 4 libraries, each manned by extremely competent professionals that understand the importance of library science. This is an exciting project to share with you because it came from our students. We had a competition to decide on the design for the high school library. The students' design that was selected was well received by the School Support Center, or once known as the corporate office. And our own COO, Zafar Raja, actually came to hear the students' presentation. He was so wowed by their thinking that he supported this incredible project. We know the students are going to love this new area and wonderful research, investigation, and inquiry will happen. We have so much more to share with you, but we just wanted to give you a little glimpse as to what to expect when you join us again on Sunday, September 2nd. We so look forward to the partnership with you as parents for this most important work for your learners, our students. Thank you so much. We hope you have a restful weekend, and we look forward to waving hello on Sunday morning.